Ayun, I'm here once again at my RV. Hindi ko kasama si Bubbles kasi balak kong ayusin ito kasi hindi ko maaayos ito hanggat nandito siya magulo. So, ang ganda pa naman ng decoration ko. Tapos hindi ko yung lubusang madekorasyonan, nilagay yung carpet. O kaya, pagdating sa sa talagang maayos, talagang dito, pagse-set up. So, ayun, it's just for one night, hindi ko siya makasama. But I try to be there early in the morning, okay? Para makasama ko siya. So, just for tonight na hindi ko siya kasama. Sorry, Bubbles. I love you. Okay, it's breakfast time right now. Before I go home and be with my Bubbles. Tomorrow, I'm gonna have another puppy. Okay, para meron akong mga anak to make me very, very happy. And I will never be alone anymore. Okay? What else can I say? I got my dogs, I have my job, and I'm okay. Alright? That's it. That's the way life is all about. Okay. Okay, ang gulo-gulo ng buhok ko. I just got up. Ngayon, time to have my breakfast before going home para makasama si Bubbles and then get ready to work again. Ayun, kain tayo mga anak. Masarap, masarap.